Hey guys, I want to do a quick video on this. There's a question I'm sure people wonder about. Does laser therapy hurt? That kind of comes with a caveat. It depends on the laser, and it depends on what's being treated and how it's being treated. These things have different frequencies, and that basically determines how quickly the laser is shot into you. So the 5 hertz, it's 5 times per second. 50 hertz is 50 times per second, and then the variable shoots from, I think, 1,000 to 3,000. It's like really fast, and it changes the effect on what it's supposed to do. If you've got acute pain, something that's really bothering you right now, like a cut or something, or something that's been treated already, but you know what I mean, something that is a fresh injury or something, you'd probably want to use 1,000. Whereas if you have a really old injury that's been bothering you for years, you'd probably want to use a combination of the 5 hertz and then maybe the 50, or just kind of, a lot of it's kind of just seeing what happens. There are protocols and stuff, but does it hurt? That's a question that, does the actual treatment where you hold it down and you're lasering? With this, no, you don't get actual physical pain from the laser treatment. Now, if you're using a class 4 or having a class 4 used on you, if they're moving it around and they hold it for too long, then yeah, it'll start to hurt. It'll be painful. So, they got to keep a class 4 moving around. This thing, it's a class 1. It's got the same wattage, but because it's pulsed, it's not enough to cause thermal damage. And so you can leave it in one spot or you can move it around. So the actual process of putting this on you, no, it does not hurt. Now, that comes with a caveat. If you laser something and it's been real achy and it's been a long-term pain issue, you may get some inflammation on it, either lasting for a day or two. I know my wife said her knees bothered her for like maybe 3 days, but then after that it started improving. She had some pretty bad problems. But but for a lot of stuff, I mean, it depends on what you're treating. Like if my legs are killing me, I'll put this on and I'll laser my legs, and my legs feel better seriously within a half hour. So, in those terms, does it hurt? The application of this laser, no, this laser does not hurt. You get into class 4 can hurt if it's left in one spot. But if it's moved around, no, it does not hurt. The pain would come from inflammation later of a long-term injury or some other injury that tends to get a little bit worse before it gets better. But for me, if it does get worse before it gets better, for me that was an indicator that it was healing. So, and laser doesn't necessarily work for every single condition, and there are some things where it can make it worse, but those are kind of few and far between. What I've been finding with this, and from talking to other people, and having my friends try it out and use it on themselves and stuff like that, usually the response is just phenomenal. People are just loving it. So anyway, I know people ask that question, does it hurt? And it's kind of a complicated question, but generally, no, it does not hurt. It's painless. You may feel a little heat, but it's not, it's not like, it's painful to do. So anyway, hopefully that answers that question. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.